wearing really cool shirts. I'm the no mama, I'm the no leg, and then you all are going to be the no niños, and I'm going to have to get a grand no mama shirt eventually. I don't know, never mind. So anyway, we did a whole bunch of moves today, and I'll start by demonstrating the lead part. So we can dance on the spot. 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Sorry, I took a breath, okay? So from here, we have a back front basic for the lead or front back for the follow. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. We have a little separation. So half a basic, and then as a lead, I'm going to release my follow by doing 3 steps on the spot. From here, we talked a little bit about the technique. Let's face the other way so that they can see. Great. So from here, as a lead, I want to make sure that, so you can just stay right there, look pretty though. Okay, so from here, I'm going to wrap into my own arm. What I don't want to do is pull the follow to me and do whatever martial art I feel like I want to do. This is no fun, right? My dance space, your dance space, dirty dancing or something, right? Okay, so from here, I wrap into my arm. The follow is connected to my back, and as I move, the follow keeps it there, and I can connect and pick the hand up on the other side. So it looks like this in partnership. We have 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Forward for saltinho. We put our feet together, pick up the left foot, look and step. This is our drill. Pick up, look, see the back. That's the beginning of our turn. So we look, 3, 4, if I'm on follow timing, and that was lead timing, Sydney. And then we walk, 5, 7, 8. So we pick up, we look on 1, 3, 4, walk 5, 7, 8. Follows do 1, 3, 4, pick up and look on 5, 7, 8. So the game of this is you always want to see your partner, but you never want to turn away from them because we have this nice reverse spot technique thing. So if we do this together, do you want to be on lead timing? We can switch it. You want to follow. Great, so you're going to stay on follow timing. All right, so I'm going to go on lead timing. No connection, we just go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. I turn, you turn. With connection, it looks like this. Sorry. 1, 3, 4. Follows, keep your hands in commission frame. So leads can change the hands. I can also take the other hand and I can change whatever I want. Basic 1. So we have some exits. Let's come this way. Great. So we have some exits. As I do my turn, the follow starts to turn and I look for the back and they roll in. And I just keep walking around. We're in basic. Option 2, lead does a half a capoeira lateral. Look right here. I go 1, 3, 4, capoeira, 7, 8. Now here's my new line. Okay? We also did lateral. 1, 3, 4, 5. Transition, collect, lateral. And the follow keeps their frame, which is why they slide, and we keep our hands wide. Now, we're going to have this little exercise that we do, right, for the leads, and 3, 4, and 5, and 7, 8, and 1, like tango. This makes sure we don't play skip it with our follows. 1, 3, 4. You see, if I keep my feet here, it's a little dangerous. So while you're learning, bring your feet through your collect. That's it, right? Okay, let's do a little demo and show you how all of this can get you through an entire night of social dancing. I like that song. Should we use that song? Yes, because I'm in charge. Great.